If you've ever walked into your basement and felt like you were breathing through a wet sponge, or worse, noticed that musty smell creeping into your laundry, it's time to dry things out. Welcome back. If you're looking for a reliable, set-it-and-forget-it solution for damp spaces, the LUKO 2,000 square feet dehumidifier is the humidity-fighting powerhouse for 2026. This isn't just a fan in a box. It is a high-efficiency moisture extractor. The headline feature for 2026 is its massive coverage and extraction rate, pulling up to 30 pints of water per day from spaces up to 2,000 square feet. Whether you have a sprawling basement or a damp open-plan living area, the LUKO uses a high-performance compressor to drop the relative humidity to your desired level, 40% to 80%, faster than standard residential units. What really makes the LUKO a standout for 2026 is its dual drainage versatility. If you don't want to empty the bucket every few hours, you can use the included drain hose for continuous gravity drainage into a floor drain or some pump. If you prefer manual mode, the 0.528-gallon tank features an auto shutoff sensor to prevent overflows. It's also a secret weapon for laundry day. The dedicated dry clothes mode uses a high-speed vertical fan to whisk moisture away from hanging garments, cutting drying times in half without the energy cost of a tumble dryer. Click the link below for the best price and finally protect your home from mold and mildew. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate solution for a fresher home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually improves your environment. See you in the next one.